Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you're getting this type of error, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the TikTok app in your device. Now after that guys, tap in your profile. So after that guys, you can find the three lines at the top right corner. Tap on these three lines. Now after that guys, tap on setting in privacy. Now you can see the privacy option here. So just simply have to tap on that. Now scroll it down, and now you can easily see here content preferences. Okay guys, so if you can't find here guys, just simply have to go to the main menu and you can find the content preferences. Tap on that. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to restricted mode, and now from here guys, just simply have to turn off restricted mode if you have turned on. Now after turning off restricted mode guys, your problem 100% will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.